Are you sure? If I ignore this one and keep going to this one, thank you, Gus. Watch how dramatic Slater gets, the brown one gets. This is where you can cause frustration in dogs. Because he's going to do everything he can, see, even the push, to get a connection. Hold on, Slater, that's as far as we can go. I got you, Gus. Oh, stretch. Oh, puppy stretch. So I'm neglecting his need for connection. He's waiting. Thank you, Gus. But if I keep rewarding for this, oh look, we're gonna do a play stretch. I'm gonna add more. Thank you, Gus. You smell the toys in my pocket. And then if I keep telling him, thank you, Gus. Slater, hold on. Oop. Gus, you want some more? You want some cuddles now? Put my hand out, offer it. Thank you. See how patient and quiet your dog needs to be? There's many dogs. Slater's not much of a worker. There's many dogs. If they don't get what they need, they will. You saw him push, which is a playful way to get somebody to move. You also see dogs that'll bark at you, that'll annoy the other one in your lap. They'll annoy the other one next to you. Good job. Well, are you gonna go play with Gus for a minute? Thank you, Gus. Yeah, so he wasn't done. Slater wasn't done. I'm doing this on purpose. See how he keeps nudging and pushing? Getting dramatic. Pushing hard on my knee. And then trying to annoy Gus. Because watch, if he gets Gus to move, watch how he'll come in. Watch how he'll come in to steal cuddles. So this looks like fun, right? But look what it's doing to him. Yeah. All right, you ready? Slater, you want to cuddle? Slater. Thank you, Gus. I got you. Hold on, Slater. See, now he's being defensive. Oh, you okay? Thank you. Thank you. So now I have to make it up to both dogs. Thank you. You ready, Gus? Oh, sorry. I got you. See that shake off? Oh, the play back. I see him too. All right, so we're gonna de-stress this for a minute. Ready? We're gonna play. Ready? Look at the toys. We got, hold on, Gus. Slater, you ready? Gus, hold on. Do you need one? Do you want one? I got one for you. That one squeaks. Oh. Did you miss? Let's go get it. This is why I play with two toys. Yeah? You want the squeaker? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoa. Where there's always choice. There's always choice. You missed. Give it to me. Haha, you missed. Grab it. Slater, where'd you go? I see your leash. Did you get it, Gus? You ready? 1, 2, 3. Where'd it go? Oh boy, Gus. Did he get, ooh. And he stepped on your leash. How rude. Let's go get the ball. Where'd the ball go? Oh, there it is. He's gonna get you. You ready? Here. Want the ball? Are you ready? Where'd you go? You missed. Oh, so close. So close. Which one? Or you want this one? Slater. You want the squeaker? Let's go get it. Whoa. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Give it to me. But see, he doesn't even want the squeaker. It attracts him. He wants to play with it. Whoa. 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 Oh, I got it. Ready? Last one. Oh, you want to play fetch? No, thank you. I got dog walkers over there. People coming down over there. Okay, last one. You get some water. Whoa. Oh, he's gonna get you! He almost got you. He almost got you. Almost went for the ball. Slater, Gus, did you get it? Gus, where's the ball? All right. I know. Oh, that's not it. Come help me get the ball. Slater. Sorry, I stepped on your leash. Come on. Where did it go? Oh no, where's the ball? Stop. Oh, there it is. Ready? Come on. Oh, you got me. Thank you. All right. We're done. Thank you. We're all done. I know. Off, please. Thank you. Where you pet matters. Okay, I'm gonna go see Slater. Thank you, Slater. Thank you, Slater. What's he got? Has he got your toy? Oh, you being curious now? Thank you. You got both of them? All right. Let's go get some water. Slater. Let's go get some water. And see how we can naturally drop things? Here, let's get some water. Take that safety pin out of the way. Cuddle. Too far. Slater, you want to cuddle? Where you going, Gus? Forget it. You can get it. He was actually going to go find a toy. Now, which one do you want? Oh, sorry, Slater. I'm stuck. Do you want to go say hi? Can we come say hi, Slater? Let's go sit with Slater. Yeah. Later.
Should we go get him? Should we go get him? Should we go get him? Let's go get him.
Alright, ready? Last one. Alright, you want to go for a walk? You go for a walk? Ready to go for a walk? I offered my hand. Alright, let's go potty. Let's go for a walk. Gus, left. Thank you, Slater. Let's go potty. Oh, you want the stick? Can't have it. All right, let's go. Gus, is that better water? Gus, let's go left. I see him. I see him, Slater. Good job. I see him. Thank you, Gus. Thank you, Slater. Did I fully... Hold on, everybody slow down. Okay, just checking on my van. Cool. All right, let's go. Gus. Thank you very much. Thank you, Slater. Let's go potty. And somewhere there's dogs behind us. They probably went around the trail so we can watch safely. I don't know where they went. There they are. Here they come. I see them. Ready? Thank you. Hold on. Everybody stop. Thank you, Slater. Gus, let's go. And they got a baby. Gus, let's go left. I'm going to a new area. Debating going down the steps. Thank you. So I have a little bit of fear because Slater's obviously interested. Slater is known to bark at other dogs. I don't know about Gus. So that little fear is not making me more cognitive, but it's making me find all the safeties in mud. You guys ready? The dog's off leash. She has a child. Slater. Come on, Gus. Slater. I see him. Is he cute? Oh, he's so pretty. Look at those ears. Thank you, Gus. Feeling a little better. You smell her? Is she pretty? Gus, we're not going. Sorry. Come on, let them have their walk. Now we can go back. This is a 15-minute video. Now they're gonna smell where the other can do their own thing. Is she pretty? Is she pretty? Ready, Gus? You smell the strawberries? And we're gonna go back. Simple as that. Smells like grease. Thank you. Gus. Thank you, 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 thank you. Oh, thank you, thank you. Slater. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, let's go find the van. After that stress, for me, I'm breathing better. Yeah. You did very good. I'm gonna tell your mom. And Now we're going back. Instead of trigger stacking, we're going back to someplace familiar. Thanks, Gus. Are you eating grass on the way? That was very good. That was very good. Good job. Oh no, he says no. He says no, I'll get you though. I'll get you, I'll get you, I'll get you. What are you gonna do? Good job, Gus. I got you, Gus. I got you, Gus. You got it, Slater. Thank you, Gus. Come on, let's go get water. What's Slater stressing you out? Come on, let's go this way. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Ah. Come on, Gus. Woohoo! 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 Ow! Woohoo! Yes, we did it. We did it. We did it. We did it. You want to go get the ball? Yeah, I heard you. I heard you. Get the butt. Get the butt. All right, let's cuddle. I know. Where you going? You doing the zoomies? Oh, sorry. Jeez. Let's go get Gus later. All right. Let's get some water. Get some water. See you. Under 20 minutes, you can take care of your dog's needs on a walk. Nervous and shy and helping everybody feel safe. This is Scott with affectivedog.com. Have a great day.